Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Jammer 360. My name is Billy. Today we will be opening up a box of Donruss Football 2018. 24 packs per box, 10 cards per pack, and it guarantees one autograph and one memorabilia card per pack. So let's just dive right in. First pack, we got Robbie Anderson, Devontae Freeman, Latavius Murray, Cameron Haywood, Kenny Stills, Isaiah Crowell, and Elite Series, not numbered but really sparkly, Lev Bell. Production TD line, Matt Ryan. And rated rookie, Leonard Fournette. Yeah, I forgot they're 2017s. I forgot I bought some 17s trying to get me some rookie Pat Mahomes. So, like I said, we just got Leonard Fournette. And Garon Conley, rookie card, Raider. So it's early in the morning for me, so these names are slipping my mind here. We got Kyle Long, throwback Phil Simms, Charles Clay, Khalil Mack, Cameron Brate, Marquise Lee, and Dominator Jordy Nelson. I like that. It's got some nice little gold foil action there. Not numbered, unfortunately. Legends of the Fall, Michael Irvin. I like that too. Rated rookie, Deshaun Watson. All right. And a rookie card, Jonah Smith. And a throwback, Franco Harris, Randy Moss, Golden Tate, Jordan Reed, Carlos Hyde, Jared Goff, Deshaun Jackson, Gridiron Kings, John Riggins. When I was stationed in Washington, D.C. back in '85, I saw the Redskins and Bears playoff game. And in fact, Walter Payton actually threw a touchdown pass in that game. It was really cool. But the guy sitting behind me, he was just cracking me up. Because the whole time, all he kept saying was, "Give it to Rigo! Give it to Rigo!" Just kept chanting that all game. And then when I was actually rooting for nobody. I was kind of rooting for the Redskins because I lived there. But when Walter Payton threw the touchdown pass, I jumped up and cheered. And that big old guy who was cheering for Rigo grabs me, yanks me back in the seat, gets right in my face and says, "Who are you rooting for?" And I told him, "Well, I'm a Charger fan. I'm just here. But that was a good play, wasn't it? Am I wrong?" And he let go of me. He says, "Okay, I'll give you that." So, John Riggins. And here we go, rated rookie, Ryan Switzer. And Malik Hooker. We got Derek Carr, Dwayne Allen, Mike Wallace, Michael Crabtree, Jeremy Hill, Devontae Parker, and Elite Series rookie Christian McCaffrey. Look at that sparkle. That's all right. Again, not numbered, but that is pretty. Gridiron Kings, Terrell Davis. And rated rookie Shelton Gibson. I don't see him becoming a thing. And rookie card Taco Charlton. Zeke Elliott, Darren Sproles, Thomas Davis, DeMarco Murray, Navarro Bowman, Charger Melvin Ingram. Another rookie of Christian McCaffrey. All right, like that. Top targets, Mike Evans. Oh, and here's the one I was saying. Rated rookie, Patrick Mahomes. All right. And then Bucky Hodges. The reason that I wanted to get these 2017s is because last year I didn't hardly get any football cards. I was too busy doing Army stuff, and then I was on a cruise for most of December. So most of the football season I was away. So that's all right. I've only been through, 5 packs, and I've got Fournette, Watson, Mahomes, and McCaffrey. Hey, that's all right. Now, everybody chant, autograph Mahomes, autograph Mahomes. We got Peyton Manning, Le'Veon Bell, Vontae Davis, Tevin Coleman, Chandler Jones, Julius Thomas, Filler Crap, and number 14 of 100, up tempo, Vic Beasley Jr. Kind of like that card. I don't know who Vic Beasley Jr. is. Ah, here's a good one. Gridiron Kings of Jordy Nelson. Jordy carried my fantasy team for several years. Rated rookie James Conner. Let's put him up there on top. And rookie Aaron Jones. Spin this around. That ain't too bad. Gathering up the rookies. And we got Von Miller, Julian Edelman, throwback Bruce Smith, Jalen Richard, Otis Anderson, Cardinal great, Allen Robinson, Elite Series, Andrew Luck, that sparkle. Highlights, Frank Gore, ageless one. Another top-rated rookie, Alvin Kamara. And Marlon Humphrey. I love the rated rookie cards. Leonard Floyd, Sterling Shepard, Kirk Cousins, D. Ford, Pierre Garçon, Casey Hayward, and the rookies, Josh Reynolds. Another kind of shiny card. Top targets, Devontae Adams. I like that too. Another rated rookie, Dalvin Cook. And rookie, TJ Watt. And here with Jones. Emmanuel Sanders. Eli Rogers. Dennis Pitta. Cordell Patterson. Cameron Jordan. Lamar Miller. And press proof number 39 of 75 of Cooper Kupp. That's pretty cool. It's a die cut. You can't tell. And Gridiron King of Carson Wentz. And Solomon Thomas, rookie. So many cards in this box, I'm running out of room to lay them down here. I start throwing the wrappers on the floor. And Jordy Nelson. Bobby Wagner. Was it this past week before? Wagner had a 99-yard interception return for a touchdown. Jonathan Stewart. Derrick Henry. Derek Brooks. Charger Melvin Gordon. All right. All right. Elite Rookie Series. Pat Mahomes. All right. Another Mahomes rookie. This is a big fancy colory one. Salute to Service. Roger Staubach. Navy Academy. And R. Josh Dobbs rated rookie. And Jake Butt rookie. We're about halfway through and still haven't seen any of the pulls. Danny Amendola. Frank Gore. Julio Jones. JJ Nelson. Throwback Dan Marino. Of course, now that I said that, it looks like I got a pull. All right. This is a freaking Hall of Famer to be. Signatures, Ray Lewis. That is all right. Not, oh, 1 of 1. 1 of 1, Ray Lewis. That is all right. Well, that's the top pull I've had in a long time. That is awesome. I think it's only the second 1 of 1 I've ever pulled. The other one being a printer plate. Dominator, Michael Thomas. Oh, this is cool. Throwback, Odell Beckham. Back to the old 81 Donruss. Rated rookie, Zay Jones. And Malik McDowell. It's all right, Ray Lewis. Oh, this one feels kind of thick. Yeah, Terrence Williams. Alshon Jeffrey. Alex Smith. Lorenzo Alexander. Corey Coleman. Yeah, there we go. Throwback Charger, Dan Fouts. Like that. Oh, well, it's thick because another filler card. All right, number to 159, number 83 is kind of a purple stat line. T.Y. Hilton. Gridiron King, John Stallworth. All right. Rated rookie, Deshaun Kaiser. Didn't pan out. And Jordan Willis. Adam Thielen. He helped take my fantasy team to the playoffs. I get a bye this week because of him. Leonard Williams. Marcus Starris. Duke Johnson. Throwback Marshall Faulk. Oh, looks like this is another pull. Number 7 of 99, Pro Bowl Kings, Andy Dalton. So it looks like it is a game used jersey from the Pro Bowl game. That's all right. Put it there. Ground Force, DeMarco Murray, Oklahoma Sooner. Gridiron Kings, Jameis Winston. Rated rookie, Jeremy Nichols, Tampa Bay. And Kevin King. Cameron Meredith. Darrell Freeman. Beast Mode, Marshawn Lynch. Kevin Benjamin. TJ Yeldon. Jeremy Curley. Oh, Team Heroes. It's not numbered, but Lawrence Taylor. Got some sparkle in there. Throwback 1981 looking picture, Adrian Peterson. Rated rookie John Ross. And Dwayne Smoot, rookie. Really liking these Donruss cards. They're not real expensive. They're not real high end, and they're cheap enough for kids to get, and you get a lot of cool stuff in it. Odell Beckham, Trevor Siemian, Marcus Peters, Danny Woodhead, Dontrell Inman, Charger, Giovanni Bernard. Oh, here we go. Number 45 of 50, press proof, Brian Hoyer. He's in a Bears uniform, but it says 49ers. So, a 50. Gridiron King, D.D. Westbrook, Charger, rookie. Rated rookie, Wayne Gallman. And rookie, Robert Davis. James Harrison, Xavier Rhodes, Amari Cooper, Luke Kuechly, DeAndre Hopkins, DeForest Buckner, and we got Legends Series, Jerome Bettis, another big sparkly card. Gridiron King, O.J. Howard. And a few weeks ago, this would have been a really good card, rated rookie of Kareem Hunt, but this guy is just one trouble after another, and it looks like he's being investigated again. And Quincy Wilson. Andrew Luck. James White, Delaney Walker, Kareem Aiken, say his name, Charger, Joey Bosa, John Brown, Dominator, Cam Newton, Sparkle Sparkle. Oh, this is cool. Legends of the Fall, Lenny Dawson. Rated rookie, Juju Smith-Schuster. We'll stick him up here, about running out of room. And Jabril Peters. Troy Aikman, Carson Wentz, Vic Beasley, Josh McCown, Jarvis Landry. Oh, here you go. Good time pull. Our throwback, Jim Brown. And more filler crap. And this is kind of an orange. Number 14 of 33, DeAndre Washington. All right, had a little bit of a technical difficulty. One of the memory cards ran out. So let's continue on. Gridiron Kings, Bruce Smith. And rated rookie, Chris Godwin and Tariq Cohen. Sweetness, Walter Payton. I was just talking about him. Paul Perkins. Tariq Hill, C.J. Mosley, Cody Kessler, John Kuhn, and the rookies, Nathan Peterman. Top targets, Pierre Garçon. Rated rookie, O.J. Howard. And DeMarcus Walker. Alright, down to the last 5 cards. Or 5 packs, that is. Clay Matthews. Thomas Rawls. Eddie George, Heisman Trophy winner. Marvin Jones Jr. Adrian Peterson. Tom Savage. More of this filler crap. Oh, here we go. Gridiron Kings, rated number to 100, number 74. Phillip Rivers, Charger galore. All right. And Gridiron King, John Ross, rookie. And rated rookie, Adara Stewart. And then Reuben Foster, rookie. Reuben Foster, ain't that the guy that just got released by San Francisco for being a woman beater or something, and then the Redskins picked him up and causing a bunch of hate and discontent? Jim Zorn, Rob Gronkowski, Matthew Stafford, Brian Quick, Jalen Ramsey, Marquise Goodwin, the Elite Series, Joe Flacco, Gridiron King, Deion Sanders, prime time, and rated rookie, Davis Webb. Oh, and then rookie card, Stacy Conley. Alright, Chris Harris, Jesse James, DeAndre Washington, Greg Olson, hurt, out for the season again, Whitney Marcellus, Mike Evans. Ooh, like this, press proof die cut, number 17 of 25, gold, Johnny Unitas. You know, this guy wasn't even drafted. He had to walk on with them. Let's put this up here, number to 25. And Gridiron Kings, Julio Jones. Carlos Henderson, rated rookie. And rookie Elijah Wood. I like that. Johnny Unitas, press proof. Not even sure what that means, press proof. Aaron Rodgers, Cliff Averill, Brian Arakbo, I kind of like that name, Arakbo, Ezekiel Ansah, whatever, Terrell Williams, Patrick Peterson, Elite Series rookie, D.D. Westbrook, Oklahoma Sooner, Gridiron King, Devontae Freeman, rated rookie, Daniel Pumphrey. And rookie, Chris Wormley. Alright, we are to the last pack. And we got Big Tom Brady, Dak Prescott, Desmond Trufant, Jeremy Maclin, Jay Ajayi, Kenny Britt, Team Heroes, Aaron Rodgers. We got Jordan Howard, another one of those 81 looking ones. Rated rookie, Joe Williams. And our last card, Jonathan Allen. Now, by far the best of this whole thing was the 1 of 1 Ray Lewis. That is just too freaking awesome. Like I said, I've only got one of 1 in my life, so this is cool. Second one, autograph Ray Lewis, Hall of Famer. All right, so that's the end of today, and hope you all enjoyed it. This was a lot of fun pulling up all these rated rookies of the guys. Exactly the reason why I bought the box was to see if I could get the Mahomes, and I got a couple of them. So I look forward to seeing you all again real soon. Bye.